Chicken. Add salt and vinegar. Food color. Ginger garlic paste. Salt. Mix it. Add into tinga. Add yogurt, green chili. Add paste in chicken. Mix it. Add lemon juice. Add chicken into the pan. Cook for 5 minutes. Add oil. Add garlic. Add onions. Green chili, ginger, white cumin. Fry it. Now, gran it. Add yogurt. Add oil. Add ginger. Add the paste. Fry for 10 minutes. Add chicken. Add coriander powder. Cook for 5 minutes. Add black pepper. Garam masala. Add cream. Cook for 10 minutes. Add dry fenugreek. Milk. Cook for 10 minutes.